Today we are going to make these adorable coasters. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in.
Hey friends, welcome to Twirl Craft Studio, where we turn everyday things into, oh wow, did you make that? Grab your crafting supplies, maybe a snack, and let's make something beautiful together. These adorable boho drink coasters, the kind that make your iced coffee feel like it's on vacation. Seriously, look how cute this is. And here's the twist. These coasters look super fancy, but they take about as long as waiting for your coffee machine to warm up. Plus, they're beginner-friendly, affordable, washable, and they add instant boho chic to your table. So if you want your home to whisper, yes, I own plants and I drink aesthetic beverages, then let's get started. You'll need cotton cord, macrame cord works best, jute twine, hot glue or fabric glue, scissors, a comb for the fringe, and a cup of coffee, because crafting without caffeine should be illegal. All right, we're beginning in the middle. Grab your jute twine and start rolling it into a tight little cinnamon roll or a mini rope donut, whatever speaks to your soul. Add tiny dabs of glue as you spiral so it stays together. Keep going until the center is about the size of the bottom of your glass. Tip: if your roll starts looking like it partied too hard and got wonky, just gently squish it back into shape. We've all been there. Now for the fun part. Cut a bunch of equal length pieces of cotton or jute cord. Mine are about 4 inches. We're going to attach them all around the edge, one by one, like building a tiny macrame tutu. Just loop each piece around the jute rim and pull tight. You start by folding the cord in half, then placing it over the top of the rope and looping it under. Once you have done enough loops to go around the entire spiral, then it is time to glue it closed. Make sure you are pulling it tight as you are gluing around the spiral. Try not to put too much glue on as we want it to not be visible on the surface. Then cut the rope and glue it. Next, take out your comb and start spreading the fibers of the cord or twine. This is when the coaster starts getting its personality. Okay, time to give our little boho creation a trim. I trimmed them just over 1/2 inch. Don't worry, every coaster gets at least one bad haircut before it gets it right. Mine definitely did. Comb again, trim again, admire. Repeat until you feel like a proud parent. Moment of truth, place your glass on the coaster. And that's it. One adorable boho coaster done. Make a whole set for your home, gift them, or sell them if you're feeling crafty entrepreneurial. If you want more boho, decoupage, copper wire, or macrame type projects, hit subscribe and join the Twirl Craft Studio.